Today we are at La Marina restaurant in Upper Manhattan, and I'm going to make a kombucha mojito. So let's get started. Mojitos have mint, so in goes some mint, right into there. We're gonna mush it up, called muddling. And we're gonna put in some simple syrup, lime juice, and white rum. And we're gonna add some ice. And we're gonna shake it up a little bit. Okay, and then we're gonna pour it, ice and all, right into here. Cucumber lime kombucha, right to the drink. We're gonna give it a quick stir and garnish with the mint. And here you go, my kombucha mojito. Ooh, delicious. Cheers.